Aqua de Horchata. Rice water. A beverage from Mexico. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Wash the rice and cook it for 10 minutes in hot water. Step 2. Throw away the water and put the rice in the blender with the evaporated milk, sugar, vanilla, and a little water. Step 3. Strain the mix, and put the remainder of the strained mixture in the blender with water. Step 4. Strain this mixture again, then mix everything well, adding ice, and it's ready to drink. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.